Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my presentation. Firstly, I want to thank you for watching this video. And then let me introduce myself. My name is Yani Lukmayani, and I'm a lecturer at Pharmacy Department of Mathematics and Natural Science Faculty, Universitas Islam Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. On this occasion, I will present you the result of my community service program, which is submitted to Social and Humanities Research Symposium, or SORES 2020, that organized by Universitas Islam Bandung. So please let me present you the following slide. The title of community service program was Swamedication Counseling and Health Drink Making Training in effort to produce healthy and productive senior citizen. And this is my team in delivering community service program. And this is 4 main sections that will be covered in this presentation. First is introduction, method, result and discussion, and last is conclusion. So let me begin with introduction. As an impact of the success of health development in Indonesia, one of which is the increase in life expectancy in Indonesia, so that the elderly population also will be increases. Based on data in 2014, the life expectancy in Indonesia for women is 73 years and for men is 69 years. And in 2017, Bandung is a city which has a high life expectancy of 74 years. And according to census of the USA in 1993, predicted that Indonesia in 1990 to 2025, the number of elderly people will have an increase in 414%. And the problem that we face on elderly society is the process that called aging process. The aging process is a life cycle that characterized by the stage of declining various body organ function, increasing vulnerability of the body to various diseases that can cause death, and also the change in the structure and function of cell, tissue, and organ system. These changes generally have an impact to physical and psychological health that will be also affect to the economy and social of the elderly society. Astana Anyar is the one of the sub-district in Bandung that became the most active sub-district of elderly friend. And the problem they face is the knowledge and also skills to overcome the chronic disease that often experiences by the elderly society. So this community service program to be expected as the solution to the problem that face at Karasak village, especially at Citizen Association or RWO6. And this program in line with LPPM Unisba strategic plan. This is the method that used in community service for counseling on the senior citizen that begin with the pretest. The pretest is to find out the initial knowledge of participant before being given counseling in the form of material. After the pretest was carried out and continued with the counseling, that was counseling delivered directly by the servant or through video playback. After the counseling, we deliver a post-test in hope that there will be an increase in the knowledge of participants after being given counseling in the form of material, as seen from the increases in the test score. After we deliver the counseling, we also training in making traditional healthy drinks. The method for training in making traditional healthy drinks was carried out by the demo method, which is namely through video playback. We also prepared several traditional healthy drinks recipe. This counseling and also training was carried out at Balai RW 06 at Karasak Village, Astana Anyar Subdistrict. The participants were the elderly and also the cadre of PKK. This is the result of the pretest and also the post-test value. And based on the result of the pretest and post-test, it was seen that there was a significant increase in understanding compared to before and after counseling material. This can be seen from the very significant increase at last data in last line, that before counseling, the pretest value average is 54.2, and after counseling, the post-test value was 84 point. So the differences before and after counseling was about 30 point. And that data can be presented in chart, and based on the activity evaluation chart, there was one participant who only experiences the lowest increase in value, that respondent number 9, which is increases only 6.6 point. It's probably because the age has reached 70 years, so that the concentration has decreased and the ability to hear or capture information also less than optimal. So the conclusion is this community service focus on the prevention and management of disease commonly found in the elderly and effort to increase endurance. And this community service activity can improve the knowledge, health, and skill of the participant. That from knowledge, we can see from the increase in value of 30 points after getting the material. So that activities have reached the target in increasing the empowerment of partner communities, especially an increase in understanding of health. And this is the references that used in paper. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.